Hey guys, finally he sleeps here, back again with another update on the S10 project. This is the S10 as it stands right now. So the paint is finished. It was a long process to get it exactly what I wanted. This is the look that we were going for. So the paint is set up and ready to go. Right now the truck is still in an unfinished state. It's been clear coated. The paint and exterior is finished, needs cleaned up right now. But we've got all of the logos on what we're looking for to kind of fill out the Borderlands look. I think the windshield decal, I think I may do that in printed graphics to match what we did for the back glass. 4-color UV print. I like the claptrap look. It's a little bit cleaner than what it was. There's a few subtle hints from Borderlands on it. It's not overt, but I feel like it's enough that if someone just sees it, it looks like a shop truck. The airbrush work and everything kind of has that like rusty look to it, but the cell graphics and the logos and everything from the game kind of, it's the look I was going for. I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. The project right now is a giant pain in the ass, and this is the interior is getting kind of a Borderlands work to make it look like a loot box. That's the plan. As you can see, all the stereo equipment has been ripped out. The wall is starting to come together from the base of the boxes, but these panels that are temporarily on here is where the look is going to come from. There is a method to the madness. The way this is set up, we actually rebuilt the boxes from where it was to move everything back 2 inches to give more space for the seats and how everything lines up out front. But the sub that used to be up here has been moved down, so the 2 subs are there. So now all 4 are forward facing. So these panels that are kind of temporarily bolted on here, those are going to get done in a brushed steel treatment to make them look old. The same kind of paint scheme that was done on the outside of the truck. The box itself is getting it's getting finished in like an oil-based black because of the construction. So everything here will have black base with a steel kind of rusted metal look, just all paint work. So it'll have that kind of Borderlands loot box feel to it. And then there's some other details that we're going into the space here. There's some lighted switches and some kind of, I don't even know how to explain it. I've got a vision in my head. Give me a break. So this is where it's at, and I'll keep you posted as we continue to work on this. The vision is starting to come together. It doesn't look like much now, but give me a little bit of time. So yeah, this is a goddamn mess. It's so time consuming for what we're doing for this. We leave for Tennessee in a week. 1 week from today, and I'm still painting components for this loot box stereo build concept. And everything had to be oil-based kills, like primed, so we could seal all the wood so that the paint process would stick. And about halfway through getting the undercoat on everything. So the box is finished. The actual boxes are painted and ready, and then all of this still has to get the look that I'm going for finished, and I think I still have a couple more coats of paint to put on everything before the airbrushing starts. So like I said, I've got a vision, trust me. All right, airbrushing, all the airbrushing is done. Now it's just final sanding of the pieces to kind of smooth everything out, and then it's reassembly time. So pumped to see how this looks. All right, it's getting there. It's starting to take shape. there it is. Box is in, it is done. Everything is powered up. The subs are in. It's not, the wiring and stuff needs cleaned up. The amps and everything on here on the side, there's still wiring that needs finished out. But overall, the look is complete. It is walled off, and I'm happy with the way everything turned out. It does have that Borderlands loot box feel to it with the metal plates, and I'm really happy. The switches and the bass control and everything is behind you. It's honestly, I just put everything back there because I wanted that look to just make it a little bit more so that it matched the exterior with the same kind of paint scheme. And I'm really pumped with the way it turned out. Now the next step here on the interior is eventually we'll do the seats, but door panels, and kind of bring the theme back into everything else. So it's getting there. The project is slowly coming together. That's it. Stay tuned for more updates on the project truck. Finally, he sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos. Make sure you subscribe here so you never miss when any of these videos go live.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams in a